Welcome back to Midday in Kansas. We're joined once again by Miss Charlene with the Kansas Soybean Commission, and this is National Soy Foods Month. And check it out, guys. The free Soy Foods Guide is out free, and we are making the TVP nachos with black soybeans and soy milk nacho cheese sauce. So here it is on page 18. And you can just write in and get it for free, right? So let's get started. How do we make this?
Well, we're on a theme today because we made quesadillas this morning. Now we're going to do the nachos. And I've got the tortilla chips here.
Okay.
This is what I've just sauteed. And this is the textured vegetable protein, which is another soy product.
Okay.
And adds, 12 grams of protein per serving with this. So we're getting that. What I did is I cooked that ahead of time with a little bit. You could use broth, you could use beef broth, you could use water to add more nutrition to it.
That's good.
So cook that ahead of time. And then in our skillet, I sauteed onion and garlic. So we're getting extra flavor. Then I put in the textured vegetable protein that we cooked together. And then these are black soybeans that we actually are adding even more protein. So what we're gonna do, I've heated that and sauteed that.
Okay.
We're just gonna add that to our nachos here. Look at that, doesn't that look good?
I love nachos.
Add that, and then you know what we're gonna add next. We made a cheese sauce.
Yeah, we do.
This cheese sauce that I made uses soy milk, and it uses cheese in it. And then I roasted a jalapeno pepper, and then finally chopped that up. And we are going to just drizzle that over. Oh, and this makes a wonderful sauce to add to your tacos here. And the other great thing about this is you're getting more nutrition from the soy milk that you've added, more soy protein.
Yes.
So, and we said we needed 25 grams a day. Then we're gonna take some lettuce. And you know, your family probably has their favorite condiments that they like to put on the nachos. We're gonna add a little lettuce here. And then the other part of this recipe is crispy corn. I put this in the oven and cooked that with some taco seasoning.
Is this a thing or you made it?
I made it.
Okay.
And I did it with just canned corn. Put it in there and it roasted it. And so that gives it some crunch on the top. How about that? And a little bit more flavor. And then you can serve that with salsa, sour cream. What other condiments do you like? Maybe some chopped tomatoes, onions, more, whatever.
Most definitely. Anything from the garden, right? Honestly, I might add a little barbecue sauce.
Yes.
I don't know that that's something most people would do, but I think I might add that.
And you know, when you're making it yourself, that's what you can do. I love that idea.
You better believe it.
Twist it like you want. But this is a healthy version of the nachos. You can see that we've added all the way through, including the soy ingredients. So we're celebrating National Soy Foods Month.
I love it. Now, how do people get the recipes and, I turned this the wrong way, the Soy Foods Guide? How do we get, because it's free? It's
free. It's 35 pages. So contact us by calling our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, or go to our website at kansassoybeans.org. We'll have the recipes there. But we'd love for them to have this wonderful book with all these recipes and information.
All right, perfect. Charlene, thank you so much. And of course, we will be back right after this.